pays that price, the better where you got in. Susan pays $7.99. So does Michael. So does Julie. So does Diane, Peggy, Virginia. Everybody pays that price. All I can say is now we don't have enough. You see how many we have left? And that's amongst all of these different ones.
Yeah.
So what is that? Yellow gold 6.5 gone.
Yep. I mean, no, these are all right now. Anything in the 6.5 are gone in the 6.5 right now. The specialty sizes, which aren't even available in jewelry stores, will definitely be the ones that go first. I had no idea you were even going to go close to under 1,000. $799.99. We've got 54 of these left. And you talk about making this the ultimate holiday. She absolutely deserves this, guys. She absolutely does.
51 left.
That's
and the
it.
phone lines, I've never seen phone lines like this for a $800 diamond tennis bracelet, because you know what, guys? Everybody wants to see this. Everyone wants to see what EF color looks like, what VS clarity looks like in a diamond tennis. That's the shot, Tino, right there. That is the shot right there. That's the difference of fine quality. We can go as close as we want, and guess what? The closer you go, the better it looks.
It's true. It is so absolutely true. I mean, my gosh. I mean, look at this. This is when I'm telling you, you get whatever you can get. Now, I would even, because I normally wear a 6.5. I mean, I've got like 6-inch wrists. I would go with a little bit of drape in the 7.25 in a heartbeat just to have this one, Chucky. Seriously, I would go with a 7.25 in a heartbeat.
Oh,
so, absolutely.
Absolutely. And one thing about this is, and I'm going to let you know that if you go with a bigger size, your local jeweler can make that smaller. That is not hard to do.
Mm-hmm.
Not hard to do. You can't do it, but a jeweler could make that smaller. You know, this is $7.99. This is okay. So now you got to keep sharp on this 6.5 Rhodium, one coming back.
That's right. That's right. Oh gosh, and I got to put it back in the box again. I'll do the yellow gold this time in the box, because this. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely
32
fire.
left. 32 left. And this one is one that, you know, even if you can't get the white, get the yellow.
Oh, I mean, you don't really even notice, actually, do you?
No,
because
very little difference, I think, because it's all diamond.
Right.
Isn't it amazing, and isn't it great for us to say all diamond?
Right.
All diamond.
Oh, such a good
See,
feeling.
we are a bit ahead of the curve, Shop LC. I think you realize that. Other networks are watching us right now. By the way, that's coming up next. That's coming up next. Wait till you see that.
Mm-hmm.
Wait till you see that ring.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
They're gonna have to actually carry me out of here. I don't want to leave.
You're gonna have to sleep for 48 hours.
Lock the studio doors. I'm not leaving. I will continue to work for the next 4 hours, because for a diamond guy. To have this, to have the ability to be able to offer this to you, is a dream come true. I never thought in my lifetime I'd ever see this day happen. I never thought we'd ever see this. We're there, and you're responding. And guess what, guys? You are seeing things that no one else could do. No one else could sell that bracelet for $160 on a budget pay. BB just got in and got one. So did Norma and Sherry and Elaine and Ellen and Jennifer just got 2 of these, by the way. And a lot of ladies are getting. If you need that 7.25 inch, guys, just get in. That could be adjusted down if you needed it to be.
Oh my gosh! Are you
85 out the door.
21 left, and oh my gosh, that is absolutely incredible, guys. And by the way, if anybody is dealing with, let's say, issues with, and a lot of guest customers are calling in on this. I would recommend calling Personal Shopper if you're dealing with maybe issues with automated ordering. There's the number. It's 1-877-899-0490, okay? That's the number that you need to call. We only have the 20 left. Let's do the breakdown in this. Rhodium over sterling silver in the 7.25, option 2. How many do we have left? 1 in that one. How about the Rhodium in the 8-inch? Option 3, 7 in that. How about the yellow gold over in the 7.25, option 5? 8, and how many in the yellow gold over in the 8-inch, option 6?
But now, Ian, we have some tied up that have not confirmed. 13. So they will be released almost immediately. If you're sitting there with one in your cart, guys, you need to make a decision right now. You cannot hold on to that, because Ian will grab that from you. Felicia is coming in to get one. So is Marie and Ann. Natalia just got one. So did Dean and Janie and Mary. I love Jennifer got one of each. Nicely done.
Oh, I love it
At
too.
that price, you could do it.
Well, you can do it. I mean, honestly, I'll tell you when you really are sold on it. I was like looking up, being a little sneaky over here and looking up VS Clarity, lab grown diamonds in a tennis bracelet, 3 carats. It is outrageous what you're going to spend. In sterling, it's outrageous. So this is pretty insane what we're doing right now. And boy, this is going to be the best holiday ever, guys. The best holiday ever. 17 of these left, and that's it. And look at these layered. For the young lady that got 2 of these, or if you're keeping them for yourself, girl, look at how fabulous that is. 16 left right now. Oh, my gosh. And don't be afraid of a little drape. Right there. Oh, yeah. That is so pretty. And that's my dream bracelet. This is exactly when I close my eyes and I think about Chrissy Everett Lloyd on the tennis court at Wimbledon.
Remember that?
You know,
Started the whole thing off.
Stop the whole thing. Stop the whole match to retrieve her bracelet. This is what I envision
from
in my
Jimmy
mind.
Connors.
Yep.